Hi students, in this video you can learn how to find out area of a triangle using determinants. Area of triangle formed by 3 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 vertices using determinants. The formula is 1 by 2 into det of, and the value is modulus. The modulus should be given perfectly always, because even if the det value is negative, the area can never be negative, so you have to give a modulus. Okay. Now det of, write all ones first of all, and then the next two columns will be the vertices: x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. This looks easy, but when you write, be very careful. It will get confused. Okay. This is a now if you expand this, you will get the value of area. Now what are the properties related to the area? If 3 points are collinear, if A, B, C are collinear, what is the property? Then 1 by 2 into the det will be equal to 0. Take 2 to the cross multiply and it becomes 0. So it is enough to take that just the det value to be equal to 0. No need to write 1 by 2. When it is given that the given 3 points are collinear, because area will be 0 when 3 points are collinear, so that the 2 gets cross multiplied with 0 and it becomes 0. Let us do the problems of exercise 4.3. In the first I do the problem, second problem, because all are similar, 10, 8, very simple. So area of a triangle we need. I told you write down 1 by 2 outside, 1, 1, 1, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Just you can expand directly, or otherwise you can apply the properties also, making 2 1 zeros, r2 2, r2 minus r1, r3 2, r3 minus r1, so that it will be easy for us. 1 2 7, 0 minus 1 minus 6, 0 8 1. Why you did like this? So that you can eliminate this and you can write, you can expand the leftover matrix. Minus 1 plus 48. It becomes 1 by 2 of 47. 47 by 2 square units, or 23.5 square units. Okay. So in the second question, they asked us to prove that these are collinear. Collinear means the det should be 0. Let us find out the det. If it is 0, then we can conclude that the given points are collinear. Let us see. So let us take det. No need to take 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 will cross multiply to 0. Okay. So let us take the det. If the det is 0, then obviously it becomes 0. 1 1 1, A B plus C, B C plus A, C A plus B. You can do direct expansion, or otherwise you can make it into make these two into zeros. Let us expand directly now. 1 into plus minus plus 1 into AB plus B square minus C square minus AC minus A of A plus B minus C minus A, column and row, plus B plus C of, close the column and close the row, C minus B. So it becomes AB plus B square minus C square minus C, because column close, AD minus BC, minus, you can cancel these two, minus AB plus AC, C minus B to C plus B, C square minus B square. So AB minus AC plus AC, B square minus B square, C square minus C square, 0. Therefore the given points are collinear. See, in the third question, you are asked to find out the value of unknown, some k. Given area is 4. Okay, area is 4. Let us apply the formula. 1 by 2 of area means formula. Collinear means no need to apply 2. Okay, be careful. X1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Okay, let us expand this. That is equal to 4. Take 2 to cross multiply with 4. It becomes 8. Now expand this. 1 into, close the column and row, 8 minus 0, minus k into, close the column and row, 2 minus 0 plus 0 at anything. 0 minus 4, it becomes 0. So 8 minus 2k is equal to 8. So 2k is equal to 0, k equal to 0. See, in this fourth question, how to find the equation of the line with the given points using determinants. See, equation of a line means they are on a the point will be on a same line. When points are on the same line, the points will be collinear. So we apply the concept of collinear. Then what is the third one? Third one we take it as xy and we take all these are collinear. We apply the condition for collinear. What is the condition for collinear? That equals 0 with the area formula, but not writing 1 by 2. No need to write 1 by 2. So it becomes, or otherwise you can take like when 3 points are lying on a line, area is equal to 0. The same formula area, when you write 1 by 2, 2 will cross multiply and becomes 0. So to write an equation of a line, you have to take the third vertex as x comma y and then make the collinear condition. Give the collinear condition. So 1 comma 2 x1 y1, x2 y2, x3. Now expand this. 1 into 3y minus 6x, close the column, plus minus plus, minus 1 of column close, it becomes y minus 6, plus 2 of close the column and row, it becomes x minus 3, it becomes 3y minus 6x minus y plus 6 plus 2x minus 6, it becomes minus 4x plus 2y equal to 0, divide with minus 2, 2x minus y equal to 0. See, in the fifth question we are given area is equal to 35. Area is equal to 35. Let us apply the formula, same formula. 1 by 2 of det of 1 1 1, 2 minus 6, 5 4, k4 is equal to 35. 2 cross multiply with this, 70. Let us expand this. 1 into, close the column and row, 20 minus 4k, minus 2 into plus minus plus, close the column and row, 4 minus 4, plus, that means minus 6 into, close the column and row, k minus 5 equals 0. But don't forget to give modulus because area will be always modulus. Then it becomes 20 minus 4k minus 0 minus 6k minus 30, 70. That means it becomes minus 10k minus 10 equal to 70. When it is in modulus, you can write modulus of 10k plus 10 is equal to 70. That means when you remove the modulus, you will get plus or minus on the right hand side. One is 10k plus 10 equal to 70. 10k plus 10 equal to minus 70. 10k is equal to 60, k equal to 6. 10k is equal to minus 80, k equal to minus 8. So the options they have given 2 minus 6, 5 4, somewhere it went wrong. Just a minute. 2 minus 6, 5 4 for k4. 1 into 20 minus 4k minus 2 of 4 minus 4 minus 6 of k minus 5. Okay, 20 minus 4k minus 0 minus 6k. Oh my god, I did wrong here. It is plus, I'm sorry, it is plus 30. It becomes minus 10k plus 50 is equal to 70. So when you remove modulus, you will get plus 50 equal to plus or minus 70. Minus 10k plus 50 equal to plus 70. Minus 10k plus 50 equal to minus 70. Minus 10k is equal to 20. K is minus 2. Minus 10k is minus 120. K is equal to 12. So 12 comma minus 2 is the answer. Yeah, it is there in option D. Very sorry. All the best, guys.